Now we already know about the tables or the functions. Okay. In our last video, we have gone through the table, how the table is made. Now we have the table. Okay. Now question may come in this way. Suppose if P is true and Q is false. Now find the value of this one. Suppose this one. No, now we have to, what we have to do? We'll put the values. P is true, that means T. Then we put the function as it is. This is also a function, we will put it as it is. And Q is false. P is true and Q is false. Okay. Now, first of all, we will do this one. Curl F. Curl F means true. That is not false, that means true. So I will write true. Now, the function of val is there. So TT is there. So in val, if there is TT, then what is the result? It is T. So we will put T here and this is our answer. Coming on to second one, again, P is true and Q is false. So Q is false. We will put the symbol as it is. And P is true. Okay. Now, first of all, we will do the function of curl. Curl T. Curl T means false. That means not true. That means false. Okay. Now comes the function of 3 bar. And there is FF. Where is the function of 3 bar? Here. FF means T. So the answer is T. Okay. Next one. I will put the functions as it is. Now P is true. And then comes horseshoe. Then Q. Q means false. Okay. Okay. Now we will do the function inside the bracket first. Bracketed function ta age korbo. So I will put the symbol of curl as it is because I will do the bracket. This is the function of the bracket first. In the function there is horseshoe and there is TF. So in horseshoe, TF means F. So I'll write F. Now curl F, that means not false. Not false means true. Now this one. I'll put the symbols as it is first of all. Now Q is false. So I'll write false. Then I will put the function as it is, horseshoe, and then curl P. P means true. Okay. Now I will first of all do the function of the bracket. But inside the bracket there is again curl. Curl F, that is not false, that is true. Then function horseshoe. Then curl T, that means not true, that means false. Okay. Now inside the bracket there is only horseshoe and TF. So in case of TF, it is F. So I'll put F. I'll put the function outside the bracket as it is, and for this F, and then not false means true, and this is the answer. Okay. Let us do another one. If A and B, the value is T for A and B, and the value is false for X and Y. So what will be the value of this one? So I will put the values first. A is true, then horseshoe, then B. B is again true, then dot, then bracket, then X. X is false, then horseshoe, then Y. Y is again false. Okay. So I have put the values. Now I'll do the function. First of all, I'll do whatever there is inside the bracket. Now this is horseshoe and TT. What is the value of TT in horseshoe? The value of TT in horseshoe is TT in horseshoe, it is T. Okay. So I will put T here and then dot and then again bracket, again horseshoe, and FF is there. So what is the value of FF in horseshoe? In horseshoe, the value of FF is T. Okay. So I will write T. Now from this bracket I have got t, and from this bracket I have got t, but there is another function which is dot. Okay. Now in dot we have tt. So what is the value of tt in dot? The value of tt in dot is t. You can see it is t. So we will write t. Okay. Now coming on to next one. First of all, আমি value বসাবো. So x, what is the value of x? It is false. Then horseshoe, then curl, and then y. Y means false. Then val, and then b. B means t. Okay. Now, first of all, I will do whatever there is inside the bracket, but inside the bracket there is curl. So curl ke আমরা ঠিক করি, not false মানে true. And then val, then t. Okay. Now, what is there inside the bracket? There is horseshoe, and the value is ft. So what is the value of ft in horseshoe? The value of ft in horseshoe, the value of ft is t. Okay. So the value of ft is t, and then val, and then t. Now the function is val. What is the value of tt in val? In val, the value of tt is t. Okay. So I will write t here, and this is the answer. Okay. Coming on to next one. Curl, then bracket, then a. A means true. Then horseshoe, then b. B means true. Then dot, then bracket, again a. A is true. Again horseshoe, and then b. B is true. Okay. Now I will let the curl be there. Curl টা এখানেই থাকবে. এখন ব্র্যাকেটের ভেতরের কাজ. First of all, we have to do the brackets. So there is horseshoe and there is tt. In horseshoe, tt means what? You can see in horseshoe, tt means t. So I will put t, and then dot, again t horseshoe t, same. So it will be t. Now curl t. I cannot do the function of dot before the curl because the curl is there with t. আমি ডটটা করতে পারবো না কার্লটা বের করার আগে. So curl t means not false. Not true means false. Then dot, then t. Now what is the value of dot with ft? Let's see. Ft in case of dot, ft means f. So I will put f here, and this is the answer. Coming on to next one. You can see b triple bar y. Now b means true. Triple bar, y means false. Then again triple bar, then y. Y means false. And then dot, then curl, and then a. A means true. Okay. Now I will let this remain same because I have to do the function of curl first. Curl t, not true means false. Now I have two brackets, so I have to do that. T triple bar f. So what is the value of triple bar when there is tf? When there is tf, the value of triple bar is false. Tf means false. Okay. So I will write false here, and then again 3 bar, and then this the value of the bracket. What is there in the bracket? Dot. Function is dot, and the values are ff. So in dot, if there is ff, what will be the value? You can see in case of dot, if there is ff, the value is f. So I will write f here. Now comes the value of 3 bar with ff. Value of 3 bar with ff. You can see with ff, the value of 3 bar is t. With ff, the value of 3 bar is t. Okay. So I will write t here, and this is the answer. Okay. Coming on to next one. মনে রাখবে functions আমরা same রাখবো. We will put the functions as it is before putting the values. আগে ভ্যালু বসাবো, তারপরে ফাংশনের কাজ শুরু হবে. So what is the value of a? T. We can see value of a is t. Then horseshoe, then curl, then b. B means again t. Okay. So which one we will do first? We will do this one first. Okay. Curl t, that is not true, means false. Now which one we will do first? The bracket. So I'll put the symbols as it is. Now horseshoe, and the function is t. Function is horseshoe and the value is tf. So what will be the value? In case of horseshoe, if it is tf, then the value is f. You can see, in case of horseshoe, if the value is tf, then the function will be false. So I will write false here and close the bracket. Then I will do this bracket first now. Curl f, that is not false, means true, and then not true means false. Okay. Coming on to next one again. There is b. B means true. Then horseshoe, then a. A means again true. Then 3 bar, then x. X means false. So x means false. Then val, then curl, then b. Curl b means true. Okay, b means true. Now first of all, I will do whatever there is inside the bracket. First of all, I will do this bracket because there is curl. So I have to make it a normal one. This curl t, that is not true, means false. Now I have two brackets. First of all, I will do this one because there is no curl, and then I will do this one because there is again no curl. Now first of all, the function is horseshoe and it is tt. So what will be the value? In horseshoe, if there is tt, then the value will be t. So I will write t and then horseshoe again, and then again this one. There is val inside the bracket and the values are ff. So what will be the value of val? If there is ff, what will be the value of val? If there is ff, the value of val is f. If there is ff, the value of val is f. So I will write f. Then comes the function of 3 bar, tf. So what is the value of 3 bar in case of tf? So in case of 3 bar, the value of tf is f. So I will write the value of f here, and this is your answer. Okay.